that saying? This is Zarun. Right here is Eliandro. So we're basically at Comic Con in Toronto. Let's check it out, man. Where's the Steven guy go, bro? Who's gonna introduce the other guy? Chinese guy right there. Steven right there, man. Outfit.
You look like such a tourist.
You're a tourist. Male character. Yo, check out the pictures, bro. Assassin's Creed right there. Halo. Halo, what? Hold up. What? Yo, you guys see that right there? Halo tanks.
It's pretty dope.
Right here, Assassin's Creed.
It's pretty dope.
Spider-Man.
God of War.
Oh, look at the keychain.
Yo, what you saying, bro?
So, yet again, we've lost Steven.
I found him right there, bro.
It's like a game of Where's Waldo? But it's, Where's Steven?
Where's Steven?
Katanas.
Swords, yeah, swords and katanas.
Attention.
Or is it Japanese?
Where is it? Oh, where is it? Oh, yo, right there, yeah.
Yeah, like right there.
Search right here. What are you saying, bro? You having a good time, bro? You having a good time, bro? Chilling, bro?
What are those?
It's Fortnite.
God is hot.
Swiss it too.
It's like the ghost from Pac-Man.
Pac-Man, yeah.
It's Goku.
Okay, what?
Need help, bro?
With what?
Oh, whoa, look at that one. That one's we got to start.
R2D2. The office.
I should put this in my office. Yeah. I'll put it in my. I'll literally put it in my office at first.
Cool stuff, bro. Yeah. We should get that.
Oh, you just touch them and they light up?
What? Change colors and stuff.
Yeah. It's like tactile. You just
Ya ves que antes de pasar a donde están las hojitas hay un pasillo más ancho.
seen that?
Australia. So every year they have this 1 week. Same thing like this. Exactly. Like
Was the whole week?
it's called the show. So every year, and I went exactly that day, bro. Oh shit! Yeah, it's crazy, bro. So for a whole week, they have like shows inside it, like concerts. Yeah, for kids.
You guys hearing us?
Oh shit, it's on.
It's on, bro. We caught you, bro. We caught you, bro. This guy's talking shit, bro.
Got him talking.
Shit.
Okay, I just want to point out that we lost Steven again.
You guys fight?
Yeah, you guys got me.
Oh, right here. I found him. He's right there. Right there. Right there.
Okay, he's not lost anymore. It's like the whole series.
Whoa, Red Bull Z.
What is it though?
I mean, we take hard now. What is it? Yeah. It's just a box. You can get both.
What is it in the bowl?
What's in the box? What's in the box?
Like
Cure package. Yeah, man, it's a boss.
I'm gonna keep it. It's
still working.
Here's a free.
We found Steven again.
Maybe like in trade.
You guys heard this?
I'm gonna get that in there.
Yeah, I don't watch Game of Thrones. Let me know if I should though.